Alright, so we here doing more demo of the house, and we demoing this small bathroom. Now, there's a few things I want to say, and the most important thing I want to tell you is patience. If you've never done this before, don't try to speed through it. Take your time, do your little research, go on YouTube, watch some videos, and you can do it. You come through, you get the tools that you need, and a lot of times when it comes to a demo, you won't need very much. Maybe a hammer here and there. So, what I would tell you to do is, just come take your time. We demo in this bathroom. We're going to take the drywall, all of the tiles out, take the bathroom out, and we're going to totally refurbish and return this. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to make it from a tub to a shower. And but we're going to redo everything. Of course, have all your safety equipment. And I'm just going to get right back to it. So come on in. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using and what I'm doing. So I'm using this chisel. And come on in. And so you're going to go over here. I'm using this chisel. And I'm using a hammer. So in places where I need to get the tile out without the drywall, I'm just taking the chisel, turning it, and slightly chiseling it. And if you need to go here. Now, one of the things that I with this type of stuff here, you want to have your glasses. So let me go get my goggles, safety goggles, because it will chip and flare. Another tool that you want to use, I'm going to pull this up, is you want to use an X-Acto knife. And I'm going to tell you guys, I've already done this, but I'm going to show you. Anyway, let me put my hammer back up. I'm going to show you what you need to do. So what you're going to need to do is, around the edges where it's cut, you're going to need to cut like this all the way around. In the corner, cut it so that it'll come off. Now this trick I'm showing you, I learned this on YouTube, and basically it's how to get a full slab of drywall and tile off. So you don't use a big sledgehammer. You use a small hammer like this, a knife, and a chisel. So what you're going to do is you're going to hammer in a square. So I'm going to start here and go up. And all you're doing is loosening up the tile. All you're doing is loosening up the tile and loosening up the drywall from the drywall screws. Now I've gone down, I'm going to go across the top. And I'm going to do half of it. You don't have to do big. Now, so I did this part right here. Now I'm going to go down. This is the square I'm going to do. Now you see why you need your glasses, safety glasses, because they chip a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to shake it. You're going to keep shaking it until it breaks. So, like so, and then you just keep going over and over and over. Now if I hammer all the way to the top, as you notice, it came down, but I didn't destroy the ceiling. We want to save the ceiling. So, I'm going to take out my hammer. I'm going to hammer across. And this time, I'm going to do a bigger, just so you guys can see how easy it is. Right now I'm going to do this right here. Okay, same thing. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Just like that. Here's the deal. I'm going to say this. It's going to be longer than what a professional would take, but you ain't a professional, but you're not destroying anything. You are actually demoing this bathroom. You're going to demo it. It's going to take you a little bit longer, but it's going to be done right. And like I said, anybody can do it. Just do your research and have the proper tools and just follow it. If you have to stop more than a professional, it's okay. So I'm going to get back to it.